Hey, it's Dave, here to welcome you to the Golf Cart Garage for a very quick look at MadJax LUX Light Kits, available for Yamaha Drive 2 and Club Car Tempo models, even as an upgrade for alpha body kits on the Club Car Precedent model. If you drive one of these carts, this is a great way to outfit it with an excellent light package, and to show off a little bit. Everything you'd expect from a quality light kit here, plus some pretty cool extras. More on that in a second, but don't just take my word for it. Let's roll that factory footage. Okay, it looks really cool, but what sets it apart from other light kits are some of the innovative design features, like simple install plug-and-play wiring with a built-in voltage reducer for optimal power efficiency, and an accessory connection in case you want to easily run power to underbody lighting, radios, or other 12-volt options. Another cool upgrade here is a self-canceling turn signal, which is something a lot of customers ask about. And the speed and colors of the accent lighting can be controlled via Bluetooth right from your phone. So if it's time to upgrade your lighting, or if you need diagnosis, tech questions, or help with anything else, just get in touch. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And hey, while you're here, give us a like and subscribe for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.